Want to get a refund from the Google Play Store? Here's how you can do it, step by step. In this video, I'll show you how to request a refund for purchases on the Google Play Store. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Payments and Subscriptions. Next, tap on Budget and History. Here, you'll see your purchase history. Find the item you want a refund for and tap on it. If the refund option is available, tap on Refund, then confirm your choice. If you don't see the refund option, don't worry. There's another method you can try. Open your web browser and search for Google Play Refund. Look for the official Request a Google Play Refund page and open it. Tap Continue and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Select the purchase you want to refund. Choose a reason for the refund and tap Continue. Finally, tap Request Refund and submit your request. Now all you have to do is wait for Google to review your request. And that's it. That's how you can request a refund from the Google Play Store. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials.